guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're doing the TikTok challenge. It is a Dalgona Frape coffee. We're going to be trying it out. Few ingredients, I promise. It's just something fun. If you have some time, try it out. I promise you it's really good. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you've already tried it. But let's go ahead and get started. If you're interested in any of the items that I've used today in the video, I'll leave the links below. But let's go ahead and dive right into making this Dalgona Frape. Alright, so today we're going to need 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water, and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 glass of milk. I'm going to put that back in the fridge. I'm using a hand mixer. You can do it by hand, but it's a lot of whipping, you guys, so I'm using my hand mixer. Let me put that in the fridge and let's get started. Alright, so we're going to want to start with the coffee. At least that's what I read online. Let's put the sugar in. 2 tablespoons of boiling water, and we're going to start on the lowest speed if you're using a hand mixer for about a minute. Alright, so let's pour it into our cup. I'm just going to use a spatula to kind of just wipe the sides off. I don't know, guys. I hope it's good. I'm a coffee person, but I don't know about this. Wipe that off. Oh, that's very strong. That is very, very strong. Now, you put this on top of your milk. You can mix it. I hear you can put ice, and that's really good. I'm going to mix it because this mixture right here is really strong. So it's good. If you mix it, it's good. If you have it alone, I could see how you would have that bitter taste, because I have heard a few people say that it's bitter. But if you mix it, it's actually quite pleasant. I like it, you guys. So I hear this is something that the Greeks invented. I don't know, you guys. Let me know in the comments. But before this Dalgona trend became a big thing, this was here forever ago, but the Greeks had it and they said it was a frappe, from what I read. So let me know in the comments. I don't know too much history about it. I'm just throwing it out there. This was a nifty challenge to do, so I like it. If you mix it, I don't know about having the whole thick layer on top and then the milk at the bottom, but it is really good, you guys. So even with ice, I could see this being really good. It does taste like a frappe, so it's really good. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and let me know in the comments what you think. But until next time, you guys have a great night.